to find out if I can actually get paid to live in some of these dream countries. Ever thought about ditching your mundane routine for a life in paradise? Imagine getting paid to live in a beautiful, exotic location. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. There are countries out there that will actually pay you to move there. Moving abroad can be daunting. The cost of living, job security, and adapting to a new culture are just a few things that might make you think twice. And then there's the logistics of actually making the move. It's not just about picking up and leaving. It's about finding a place that can sustain you financially and offer a good quality of life. For many, the dream of living abroad seems out of reach due to financial constraints. But what if I told you that some countries are willing to give you a helping hand? Places like Estonia, which offers a digital nomad visa program, providing a path to residency for remote workers. Or consider Italy's Work from Italy program aimed at attracting digital nomads with a stipend and support for living expenses. Portugal's non-habitual residence, INCHAR, visa offers tax benefits and a relaxed lifestyle for certain professionals. And let's not forget about Canada's rural revitalization programs, offering financial incentives for those willing to move to smaller towns. One amazing success story is that of an American couple who moved to Italy under the Work from Italy program. They now live in a picturesque town, working remotely and enjoying the Italian lifestyle. Their story isn't unique. Many have taken advantage of these programs, transforming their lives in the process. These stories show that with the right opportunity, your dream of living abroad can become a reality. So, if you're tired of the same old routine and are looking for a change, these programs might just be what you're looking for. To recap, we've covered several countries offering financial incentives for relocation, including Estonia, Italy, Portugal, and Canada. Each of these countries provides unique opportunities for those looking to start a new life abroad. If you're inspired by these stories, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below about your dream country or any experiences you've had with relocation programs. And if you're serious about making the move, be sure to check out my other videos on travel and relocation. Tips for more advice and insights.